Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. So as mains is about to come in another 70 to 75 days, those who are hoping to write mains in 2025, I think you must immediately start doing answer writing practice. However, it should be done after thoroughly consolidating, organizing your notes and revising the basics, revising mains notes and revising your optional, and also answering previous year questions of optional as well as mains. But how to use the upcoming days, especially in the month of June and July, more effectively to score 450 plus from 4 GS papers, as well as target 130 plus marks in the essay paper. So I believe the conventional approach. So there was a conventional approach of giving only few tests when before 2013 or in the very beginning of 2013. And then we introduced like 20 plus tests between prelims and mains. So the gap used to be more. People were writing all these tests in a relaxing mode. So now the competition is huge, and the highest marks is 863 and cutoff is 719 for the GM. And for those 140 marks, you have like more than 500 ranks within general category, fighting for each and every single mark. So to maximize marks in each and every answer, I believe in addition to having quality content, quality knowledge, lots of practice is required to refine and improve each and every aspect of the answer writing. So I believe you need a program which helps you write intensely, get quality guidance. So something core batch concept we have been having and getting good result at Insights IAS. But for mains, we also used to have that conventional approach of having some 20 plus full length test. So I believe daily answer writing practice is must. So we are introducing something called a core batch for mains, CBEM. So here immediately after the result, like 4 to 5 days after the result, this is only for those who are going to clear the preliminary examination. This is not for everyone. And we want to have a thoroughly competitive peer group, and the number is going to be restricted to less than 200. Total online and offline. Offline we expect around 50 to 100 only. So what we are going to do, first 3 days 10 questions each, every day 10 question test, next day 10 question, another day 10 question, and then full length test 20 question test. So GS1 first 3 sectional test of 10 question each, and then 20 questions. So every single day 1 2 3 test, 1 day gap, 5th day you have full length GS1 test, and then 1 day gap, then GS 1 2 3 test and full length. So like this 4 GS papers, in between we are embedding 2 essay tests, full length test with 8 topics. So one iteration is over, and then after 2 days gap, then there is another iteration. So it is a 45 days program. You have around 40 tests, including many essay tests and all full length GS test. And then in addition to this, we are also giving you the last simulation test, within a day conducting GS1, GS2, then next day GS2, GS3 and the essay full length, the way it happens in the UPSC. And all these tests are going to be again marked, not completely evaluated, but more than that, the personal individual guidance followed by every test. Our team of faculties, myself, I'll be there for the essay and ethics evaluation throughout the mains every week 3 to 4 days, and then mostly in the Delhi center and for online students as well. And then all our faculties will be available for evaluation and also for mentoring. So this is a program where you will get a very good peer group, a very good system where faculties and mentors will be constantly available. And more than anything else, if your notes is ready, if you're done with optional, this 40 to 45 days intense practice of answer writing will help you improve the speed, will help you take care of each and every department of answer writing, whether it is to write a better introduction, to structure your answer, to give better presentation, to write better conclusion, to improve the quality of your example, to prioritize your point, best point to not so important. Again, not so important point should not be there, but prioritization of the point within the best points. And also about completion of the paper within 3 hours with quality answers. And then you will have last few days for one more revision and writing any step up mock test or simulation test. So this is for those people who are looking for kind of last mile improvement. If you are stuck in somewhere like 390 to 400 in GS papers, how to improve? Next 40 to 50 marks. And also I think essay taking personal feedback will definitely enhance your marks from 100 to 120 or 125 or 130, and if you have some individual style, originality, I think we can push to 135 plus also. So overall, this year we are on a mission mode at Insights IAS in Bangalore to ensure that majority people who write this test series as well as the I Will test series and take our courses, we as a team, all faculties, myself and mentors, we want to guide you and ensure that you reach the interview stage. And after the interview, again we are there to give you excellent one-on-one mocks and guidance. So hoping to see you, and the registration will open only after the preliminary examination result, and we are keeping fees around 5 to 6,000 only. It's a very nominal fee for the kind of program we are having, and hope to see you at Insights IAS, both in Delhi and Bangalore centers, and writing all these tests and getting the guidance from us. So wish you all the best for the preliminary result, and I hope you crack it. Thank you.